Hello friends, in this video we are going to review Hostinger web hosting. Hostinger has come a long way since it first launched as a free web hosting service 15 plus years ago. Today it is one of the best web hosting providers on the market, offering affordable plans, high quality hosting and other perks for website owners. Whether you are launching a new site from scratch or switching providers, you can use this in-depth review to see if Hostinger is right for you. It is not secret that the loading time for your site is very important. If a visitor comes to your website and has to wait for things to load, they would not stick around. In fact, many people are not willing to wait for more than a couple of seconds for a site to load. That's why we love that Hostinger provides quick hosting speeds. Hostinger has servers not just in the United States but also in Asia and the United Kingdom. So that helps keep the overall loading times quick no matter where you or your visitors are located. For each of those hosting types, we put a test site through fresh ping for a full month. Each one averaged well under 1 second load times, with Hostinger's VPS and WordPress hosting averaging right around 470 milliseconds. That's wonderful, fast and better than just about every other hosting providers we tested in those categories. Hostinger has servers not just in the United States but also in Asia and the United Kingdom. So that helps keep the overall loading times quick no matter where you or your visitors are located. Not only do you get a blazing fast site speeds on a Hostinger plan, but those plans comes at some of the most competitive price points around. If you are not happy with your Hostinger purchase, you have 30 days to try it out and get your money back if your experience is not at all were hoping for. However, be sure to note that redemption fees, domain name renewals, and privacy protections are the only things not part of the 30 days money back guarantee. So keep that in the back of your head. You need a domain to go along with your hosting, and while you can buy your domain and your hosting from separate companies, it is not it is nice when you can do everything in one place. It's even nicer when you can get the domain for free. That's an option for those who opt for any of Hostinger's web hosting plans above the single site tier. One of the key elements of Hostinger that ranked it so higher on our list is the ease of use, especially when getting everything set up. The hosting service's clean interface, guided setup, and user-friendly dashboard makes it easy for first-timers. You don't need to take a class on this hosting service to use it. So that's all friend. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for latest notifications and regular updates. Thank you for watching this video friends. Bye.